Welcome back, class 11. We are discussing production function. Today we'll deal with types of production function. In the previous class, we had discussed what is production function with its features. So today we'll discuss the types of production function. And there are two types of production function: short run and long run. Now, but when I say short run, it does not mean it's a short time period like 1 month or 1 year. Okay, this short run and long run is a subjective concept and इट हैज़ नो कनेक्टिविटी विथ टाइम स्पैन. ही कोई कैलेंडर ईयर नहीं है. हर प्रोडक्शन सेंटर का शॉर्ट रन और लॉन्ग रन अलग होगा. ओके, फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन एंड देन वी कम टू क्लैरिफाइंग किसका शॉर्ट रन हो सकता है और किसका लॉन्ग रन हो सकता है. द शॉर्ट रन प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन is a time period or is a period, not a time period, is a period where producer can bring about change in his production by changing only one input. Where production can be changed by changing one input and rest all other inputs are kept constant. For example, if there is heavy demand of umbrellas or raincoats in the rainy season, suppose the rains are more than the normal, so a producer would be knowing that this is a temporary condition, and for meeting that demand he's not going to change all his machines and assets and properties and buy a new building to do that or buy a new plant to do that. What he's going to do is he's just going to increase his labor so that the work can be done and the demand can be met, because he knows that this is a short run डिमांड. तो ऐसे केसेस में प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन जो है वो शॉर्ट रन होता है, वेयर प्रोड्यूसर चेंजेस ओनली वन इनपुट एंड कीप्स ऑल अदर कांस्टेंट. मोस्टली दिस वन इनपुट विच इज चेंज्ड इज लेबर और raw material. Okay, and rest all other inputs are kept constant. Okay, now the input which is changed or which can be changed is called as variable. The input which can be changed is called as variable, and the one which cannot be changed, but one which is kept constant, are called as fixed inputs. So there are two kinds of inputs in short run: variable and fixed. Why? Because there are two conditions. One, some inputs can be changed and some inputs cannot be changed. The one which can be changed are called variable inputs, and those which cannot be changed are called fixed inputs. This is short run production function where producer wants to change the quantum of production, but he cannot bring about change in all the factors of production. He can change only few factors. तो जिनको change कर पाएंगे they would be called variable, and the one which cannot be changed will be called as constant. So what is short run? A period where production can change, increase or decrease by changing one input only. वो production time period where producer is a situation to change only some inputs and rest all are kept constant. This is short run. Now what is long run? Long run where production can be changed, that means increased or decreased by changing all inputs. A long run time period is enough where producer can bring about a good change in his factors of production. He can change all his scale of operation. He can buy new buildings, plants, machineries, everything can be changed. Okay, so here since all inputs can be changed, all are variable. Okay, all are variable. So the inputs which can be changed are variable, and here everything can be changed. So in long run the producers use variable inputs because everything can be changed. In short run only few inputs can be changed, so they are variable, and the one which cannot be changed are called fixed. तो accordingly short run में दो type के inputs होते हैं, fixed and variable, whereas in long run it is only variable. Okay. Okay. Now types of inputs. Now there are two kinds of inputs, fixed and variable. And these fixed and variable inputs are because of short run production function. Because in short run there are two types of inputs. In long run all are variable. Okay, so this difference between fixed and variable inputs or the types of inputs have emerged because of short run production function. उसी में ये division है कि कुछ change हो सकता है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. And because of this we have two inputs. So first is fixed inputs which cannot be changed in short run. Now when it comes to defining, we'll always define with respect to short run, क्योंकि शॉर्ट रन के कारण इन दो इनपुट्स का अस्तित्व है, बिकॉज दीज टू इनपुट्स डिपेंड ऑन और दे आर एग्जिस्टिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्ट रन प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू डिफाइन, you will define with respect to short run. So those inputs which cannot be changed in short run are fixed inputs. Example, building, machines, land, etc. This cannot be changed in short run. And what is the impact of output on these kind of input? There is no impact. See, output increases or decreases, fixed inputs remain constant. So they do not vary, does not vary with the level of output. Output बढ़े या कम हुए, these inputs in short run will remain same. Okay, so they do the impact of output on these fixed inputs in short run is zero. Coming to variable inputs, these are inputs which can be changed in short run. Those inputs which can be changed in short run are variable. For example, labor, raw material, power, fuel, etc., which we can increase to increase the production for short run. And what is the impact of output? See, output will increase only because of change in these inputs. So if output increases or decreases, variable inputs will increase or decrease. So that means if output is increasing, it is because of increase in variable inputs. If output decreases, it is because of decrease in variable inputs in short run. So this is what the division between variable and fixed input is. So you will revise these topics, and if in case you have doubts, you can ask me in our economics group. Please revise all the 3 videos. If you have not watched any of them, watch video number 1, then 2, and then 3, and then in case you have doubt, then you can ask in our economics group. Okay, till then just keep on watching the videos completely sincerely so that you don't have any problem in these concepts. Thank you.